I'm Kais Zuhaika. I'm the head of financial institutions and investment at Quds Bank. Quds Bank is a local Palestinian bank operating in Palestine since 1995. We have 38 branches across Palestine, and we have one rep office in Jordan. And we're looking forward to expand our operations and to serve our client and to serve their needs globally. So we got engaged with EBRD since 2019, actually, and in 2019 we had the strategy that we need to have some kind of facilitation regarding opening with correspondent banks due to the fact that we operate in a high-risk jurisdiction as perceived by correspondent banks. So they've always requested some comfort, and engaging with EBRD and being onboarded with them in the first program under the Trade Facilitation Program really holds the essence of facilitating. So it did facilitate the operations of Quds Bank back then, and it has been continuing since 2019. And the important thing that EBRD is always supportive, even during unprecedented and challenging times. We went through the pandemic, EBRD was there. We went through the geopolitical tensions that we're facing in Palestine, and EBRD was totally supportive. Even we've expanded under all of those circumstances, and this has really facilitated our introductory to correspondent banks. It opened up a lot more relations with our correspondent banks, drawing some comfort once we reach out to correspondent banks and we want to engage with them in new business or establish a new relationship with them. On the other hand, it has facilitated a lot on what Quds Bank can do to its customers, and the commitment that Quds Bank is doing towards its local community that it serves not only locally but even globally. So this has helped a lot Quds Bank in providing the right services to the vast majority of the segments that we can serve, especially on the SMEs and MSMEs side. So Quds Bank was really facilitated under the various programs with EBRD to provide the sufficient amount of services, and we're continuing forward in multiple initiatives with EBRD, and there are lots to be done and lot of potential is there to be done in Palestine. The key products are traditional trade finance tools that can enable our customers to import, mainly import goods and products to Palestine. That's the most traditional, let's say, product that EBRD is supporting us under the Trade Facilitation Program. Other than that, in terms of liquidity, and since we're actively managing and balancing our liquidity issues and aspects, EBRD also supported us with trade loans, be it that we post-finance the clients and discount their invoices. Talking about more structured products on the way, we are in discussions with EBRD and local regulator to have other structured trade finance tools like factoring and reverse factoring as well. EBRD is also there with our regulator, just putting the right regulatory framework in place so that it can enable not only Quds Bank but also to have other financial institutions engaged in such a very important product that really generates liquidity and saves a lot on the liquidity side rather than just imposing the risks towards the market. So we recently signed with EBRD and got engaged with them in the GEF program and Women in Business program as well. So GEF basically is the Green Economy Finance Facility, whereby we deal under that program and we serve clients with impactful businesses and impactful projects. Given the fact that it has some kind of processes under the eligibility criteria, then we really understand the client needs, along with the tremendous technical assistance that we receive from EBRD with people that have the right specialty to see the projects and conduct the due diligence to see the eligibility of that project and to see what kind of impact does it have not only on the project itself but also on the businesses and the Palestinian economy. So those are like the kind of projects that EBRD is deploying in our market, regardless of the challenging circumstances, regardless of the lagging of the legal framework that we have. EBRD is there to support not only the banks but also the community.